Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw together the toys we play with at the seaside, like the rake, the bucket, the shovel, and the mold. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the sand rake with a curved line, draw 5 teeth like I do, and a curved line. Draw a rectangle, a long rectangle for the handle, and draw a circle inside it. Draw the thickness with an inverted V-shaped line, a long diagonal line, a shorter diagonal line. Now draw the bucket filled with sand. Draw a diagonal line, a curved line, a V-shaped line, a curved line, a diagonal line, and a semicircle. Draw 2 ovals, draw a curved line for the edge of the bucket, a vertical line. Draw the handle like I do. Draw the vertical line, a curved line, and another vertical line of the outline of the bucket. Excellent! Draw the paddle with a curved line, a stretched V-shaped line, a semicircle, stretched V-shaped line, a curved line, and another curved line. Draw a rectangle and then the handle with a diagonal line, quarter circle, a diagonal line, a quarter circle, and a diagonal line. Now draw the edge of the handle following the shape you just drew. Even the shovel is ready! Draw the sand mold by tracing a star with 5 V-shaped lines and then trace the thickness, like I do. Draw 2 more star-shaped shapes. Excellent! Our drawing turned great! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the bucket, orange for the stars and sand. The base of the paddle with purple. Use yellow for the shovel handle and the bucket handle. Use green for the handle part of the bucket and attachment, and for the rectangle and circle of the rake. Use light blue for the rake teeth. And use indigo for the rake handle. Excellent! Our sand toys turn out great, and they will truly fill your day at the seaside with much fun. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!